Hello and welcome to my video review of the Carine black dinner plates. So I requested these on the Home Depot Seeds Reviewer program, and I got the plates just recently and just wiped down the top one here after pulling it out of the set that I got, and I have to say I'm impressed. They feel sturdy, they appear to be easy to clean, and they look like they'll fit a fair amount of food, which I am satisfied with. I'm actually going to probably be replacing my old plates that I've had for years with these new ones, and then next month I'll probably request the white plates, and I will basically have a full new set of plates for the house. So yeah, not much more to that. They are dishwasher safe, so these will actually fit better in our dishwasher than the old plates will. So yeah, overall, very pleased. If you have any questions, please go ahead and send a comment to my video review on YouTube, and have a great day. Bye.